So this is our sixth point now, right? Sixth point, it is to again shifting, but what type of shifting? It is shifting, right? Shifting the summing point. Summing point A represented as SP. We are going to shift the summing point. Okay, suppose in the initial case we have this. Okay, this is your summing point, and here you have your block with the gain G, and the output is C. As usual, the input is R. Okay, so for this summing point, you are giving another input. That input is your X. Okay, input is X. So here, suppose both are being actually plus. So what you can expect out of this? It is R plus X, right? R plus X. So after this, what you can expect? It is multiplied by G. Okay. So R plus X multiplied by G. So that is your output C. Right. So this is for the first. Right. Right. Now what I am going to do? I am going to shift the summing point. So what would happen when once you shifting it? What would happen? That we are going to see, right? Okay, summing point to the right of the block. So if this is your left side, this is your right side, we want to move this summing point to the right of the block. Okay, right. So this is your block you have, right, with the gain G, and you are applying as such the input, and here you are going to have the summing point. That modification you are going to do, and you are expecting what? Here you see this is input number 1 and this is input number 2. Two inputs but one output is there. Okay, so you have one output. Okay, fine. Here if you are taking this output C now, what the output you can expect, but here a summing point is there. Definitely to the summing point you are going to give X. Actually what output we need for the C, right? So what is the output you need for the C? C is the, okay, so the C should be equal to what actually? R plus X into G. Okay, R plus X into G. Right, so what it is? R plus X into G is your output, which is C. That can also be written like this, right? Or G plus XG. Both are same, right? So we expect to have the C as two terms. One is RX, sorry, RG. One is RG plus another one is XG. So here if you check, the RG is coming as usual from this side. Okay. So another term should be like what? It should be coming as XG. So G as usual we know it is a gain block. So gain, and the input is X. Okay. Then out of which you are getting this. So both are being added. Then you get this term. I mean, right. So this is your output. Now it is okay, right? So this transfer function now you are getting is correct, right? So once you are shifting the summing block, what you have to do? You have to add one more block like this. This block with the gain G should be added, into which the input, second input should be given. This input is simply given. Okay, first input is directly given to this block number 1. Okay, this is the change we are expecting when you are going for shifting this from left to right.